If you're looking for a way to enhance your hair by adding volume or creating a fuller, thicker look, check out these clip-in volumizers. They're easy to put in and can be used with your own hair or extensions. They're ideal for all hair types, and they can be worn all day because they're comfortable and lightweight. You can get free color match services when you order, and there's free shipping and free returns if needed. There is even a small color swatch sample that's outside of the packaging, so that you can be sure it's a good fit before you open the actual product. These are made from 100% human hair. Each weft comes with 4 pre-attached clips to help securely hold this into place in your hair. They are really simple to use. You simply press them to open and close them. Just section your hair off, decide where you would want to place them to add the length, and clip them right in. Slip them into your hair and clip them into place. As you pull your hair down, you see that they seamlessly blend with your own hair. These are ideal for special occasion or daily wear. Check these out on USAHair.com or CanadaHair.ca in Canada. You will love this natural looking, high quality, and affordable result that you will get from using this product.